idea for you. So this one is going to be really, really quick and easy. I made a bunch of these and I'm going to show you in just a second what they are, and I'm so excited to show you how to do it. They're really, really easy, and the fun part about them is you can totally change this up and make it your own. This is very much a Pinterest craft. I actually learned how to make this like years ago from somebody on YouTube. She actually doesn't have the video on here anymore, but I'm gonna link her channel below if it's still up. Her name was Kerry, and she was from Kerry's Paper Crafts, and she made a different variety of what I'm about to show you. So that's where I first learned about this, and I've been wanting to make it for years. So this is kind of my take on it, and let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's my project. These are called Rudolph's Spares, and as you can see, they're so cute. They're a little baggie of candy with a reindeer kind of foam sticker on there, and a cute little cardstock that says Rudolph Spares, and they're little cherry sours. So I made a bunch of them here. Let me show you one close up. So here's what it looks like. I absolutely love these. I think they're so adorable. There's the back. I made little bag toppers. I put the cherry sours in here and used the cute little Rudolph sticker. And then I just printed off some cardstock that reads Rudolph Spares. And they're just a fun little, cute little stocking stuffer idea for your craft fair. So I'm gonna show you all the supplies that I used to make these. It's so easy. So first of all, I found these cute little reindeer stickers at Hobby Lobby, and they have them available right now. They are $2.99, but everything's 40% off in the Christmas section. So I used those, and I just used heavyweight white cardstock and printed on my computer Rudolph Spares, and then I just cut them out. That was really easy. And of course, I got these cherry sours. In this bag right here, I got at Dollar General for $1, but they also have bags at Dollar Tree for $1, and I can make 4 of these out of 1 bag of cherry sours. And I put 18 cherry sours in each of the little favors. So I also used these bags from clearbags.com, and I'm gonna link the size that I use below. I think they're like 3 by 4.5 with the adhesive top. So I'm gonna link these below on the Clearbags website. And then I just simply used a piece of cardstock that measures 3 by 3, and that was for the little bag topper right here. So this is like pattern cardstock. It's just out of a scrapbooking pad, and it's 3 by 3. And then you just simply need scissors, a stapler, and optional, a corner rounder. So let's go ahead and make one of these. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is just take out one of your adhesive sleeves and just fill this up with 18 cherry sours. So if you're gonna use like your bare hands, go ahead and use gloves so that way you don't touch other people's food. Or you can use like a spoon to dig them out of there. I just poured them in. It was really easy. Okay, there's 18 now. So then you just kind of arrange them so they're flat, all in one layer. And you can also use Red Hots for this, but I thought kids would like cherry sours a little better. And then you just pretty much tear off the adhesive and seal this up. And I like to leave a little bit of slack at the top, so I like to seal it with some slack. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like so far. It's so cute already. So then you just take your 3 by 3 paper and fold it in half. And at this point, you can use a decorative scissor to make like this, like a little more decorative, but I like to leave it like this. And then you literally just stick it like this over the bag. Just like this. And because this is like just adhesive, the sleeve is adhesive, and I don't want these little candies to fall out, I'm gonna add 2 staples. So 1 and 2. And they don't have to be perfect because you're gonna cover them. So then I take my little Rudolph spares. I think I cut this to like 1 1/4 by 1. You can make it as big or small as you want. And I chose to round the top left corner and the bottom right corner. And I'll show you what look it gives it. It kind of gives it a little unique look. So that's what it looks like. And you can just glue it down right here, or you can even use like foam adhesive to put it down. So I'll probably do that. But first, let's go ahead and add our cute little Rudolph. So these, like I said, are from Hobby Lobby, very inexpensive. So I like to add him at a little bit of an angle, and part of his body can go on the plastic, that's fine. It sticks really well. So just make sure you cover the staple and press it down really good. Isn't it looking cute already? And then you're just gonna stick this right here. So like I said, you can just use some double-sided tape, some glue, or a foam adhesive, which I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So I've got these Miss Sparkle & Co. papery foam squares, so I'm just gonna use one of the big ones. And just stick it on the back of this. Peel that off, and then we'll stick it right over the staple. And you're done. I mean, how easy was that? And it's so cute, and it looks really nice. I made a bunch here. So here's my cute little Rudolph spares. And you can do so many different things with these. You can make like reindeer noses, and you can put like chocolate and then 1 cherry sour, so it's just a whole bunch of reindeer noses and then Rudolph's 1 nose in there. And it can say like reindeer noses, or you can do, for fall, you can put corn candy in here. And you can say, what did my sister do one year? Turkey toes, that's what she called them, turkey toes. And it was corn candy. So there's so many different ideas. I'm gonna try to find the channel that I was first inspired by, but like I said, this is totally not a new idea. It's been around for years. This is just my take on it. I lucked out by finding these cute stickers at Hobby Lobby. And we all know clear bags has like every size of clear adhesive bag. And then I love using scrapbook paper and just playing with it in different ways. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back soon with some more Christmas ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!